Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, in trigonometric equations chapter, we discussed up to question number 18. Now we will start with question number 19. In 19th question, they given 3 tan square theta minus 2 sin theta is equal to 0. Then we need to find the value of theta. Okay. So listen, how to find theta. This equation can be written as 3 into tan square can be written as sin square by cos square minus 2 sin theta is equal to 0. From this, if you take LCM, cos square theta is LCM. Now what is remaining? 3 sin square theta minus 2 cos square theta into sin theta is equal to 0. Now you cross multiply, that becomes 0. Now you will get 3 sin square theta minus 2 cos square theta into sin theta is equal to 0. So from this equation, I will take sin theta common. But if you take sin theta common, one more sin is there. That's why I am converting the entire equation into sin theta. How to convert? I'll write 3 sin square theta. Okay. Now minus 2 into this cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta into sin theta is equal to 0. Now from this what will get? 3 sin square theta minus 2 sin theta minus of minus plus 2 sin square into sin, that is sin cube theta. I will take sin theta common in this. If you take sin theta common in this, what we get? 2 sin square theta. If you take sin theta common here, 3 sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. The product of two values is equal to 0. Either first one 0 or second one 0. I am taking first one 0. Second one 0. Already we know general solution. If sin theta equals to 0, then the general solution theta is equal to n pi. This is one general solution. Now this one, you factorize this. It can be written as 2 sin square theta plus this 3 sin theta can be written as 4 sin theta minus sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. In these two terms, I can take 2 sin theta common. If you take 2 sin theta common, one more sin theta is there, plus 2 will get. In last two terms, I will take minus 1 common. Sin theta plus 2 equals to 0. Again you can take sin theta plus 2 common. Now what you will get? 2 sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. From this equation you will get sin theta is equal to minus 2. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. But sin range is minus 1 to plus 1. That's why this minus 2 value is not possible. Why? Because the sign range is always -1 to +1. That's why don't take this value. Coming to this 1/2 is there. This 1/2 I can write sin 30. Okay. What is general solution for sin x is equal to sin y? Theta is equal to n pi plus -1 power n into pi by 6. So finally we got two general solution. But in 19th question they given which is the correct one. So this n pi is not given, but here n pi plus -1 power n into pi by 6 is given. That is option B is the correct answer for question number 19. Next question number 20. So listen, question number 20. In question number 20 they given sin theta 1 and cos 2 theta are in GP. Sin theta 1 cos 2 theta, these belongs to GP. Sin theta 1 cos 2 theta. Okay, now we have one formula in 10th standard. You will get, if three numbers a comma b comma c belongs to geometric progression, then the condition is b square is equal to ac. This is a, this is b, this is c. Apply b square, that is nothing but 1 square, that is equal to 1. A is nothing but sin theta, c is nothing but cos 2 theta. I am converting the entire equation in terms of sin. Then 1 is equal to sin theta into this cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. Now 1 equals to sin theta into 1, that is sin theta, minus 2 sin square theta into sin, that is nothing but 2 sin cube theta. Now this minus 2 sin cube theta come to this side becomes plus. This plus sin theta come to this side becomes minus. Plus 1 is equal to 0. It is not a quadratic equation. It is a cubic equation. How to solve cubic equation? In previous class I gave one simple method, synthetic division method. First you take the coefficient. Sin cube coefficient 2. Sin square is not there, 0. Sin coefficient minus 1, constant 1. Listen, first to sin cube coefficient 2. Sin square is not there, 0. Sin coefficient minus 1 plus 1. Here 0. So first I am taking this number, don't take directly, you just check it. If you take 1, you are getting remainder 0 or not, you need to check it. Well, check it. 2 plus 0, 2. 1 into 2, 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. 1 into 1, but 1 will not cancel. Okay, 1 is not. Okay, I will check with minus 1. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 0 minus 2, minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2, plus 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 1 gets cancelled. Now remainder will be 0. You got it? This is the easiest method to find the roots of a cubic equation. Okay, here minus 1 is there, that's why I am taking sin theta plus 1 you will take. Here if plus 1 is there, you take sin theta minus 1. Okay, now remaining. What is the first value? 2. Sin square will get, well, because already cubic equation, one root we got. Next is quadratic equation. Minus 2 sin theta plus 1 is equal to, this is square term, this is power 1 term, this is constant. Okay. Now here also the product of two values will be 0. either first one 0, either second one 0. But this equation will give complex roots, or you can say imaginary roots. Both are same. Why it gives imaginary root? For this equation, b square minus 4ac value is less than 0. This is A, this is B, this is C. You find b square minus 4ac, that is negative. If b square minus 4ac is negative, we will not get real roots, we will get imaginary roots. But we always require which roots? Real roots. That's why don't take the second condition. Okay? Now, first condition. Sin theta equals to minus 1. This sin theta equals to this minus 1, I can write sin of minus 90. Sin of plus 90, 1. Sin of minus 90, minus 1. This is the formula sin x is equal to sin y. If sin x is equal to sin y, the general solution x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into y. But this option is not given, that's why I can write this is another method. Theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 power n minus 1 into pi by 2. This minus also I will take here, because this answer is given in the option. That's why for question number 20, option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next, we will discuss question number 21. In question number 21, they given secant theta minus 1 is equal to root 2 minus 1 tan theta. And one more, okay, theta value is not given any format, okay. Then this secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta minus 1 is equal to root 2 minus 1 into this tan theta can be written as sin by cos. If you take LCM, now this can be written as 1 minus cos theta by cos theta, that equals to root 2 minus 1 sin theta by cos theta. This 1 minus cos theta can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2 by cos theta is equal to root 2 minus 1 into the sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 by cos theta. Now both sides 2 and 2 gets cancelled. See here, before cancelling sin and sin, you will check it in option. One general solution is given or two general solution is given. Okay, there is one general solution is given. Now what will get? Sin square theta by 2 is equal to root 2 minus 1 into sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Please don't cancel sin and sin. If you cancel and sin, you will lose one more general solution. First, how many possibilities are there? You write all possibilities. In that possibilities, one option is given in the question. That option you need to check it. Directly or by knowing sin cancel. If you sin cancel, you will get only one general solution. Maybe second general solution is given in the options, we can't get. That's why I am not cancelling sine and sine. I will write all the possible general solution. In that which is given in the option, I am selecting that one. Okay. Now, sine square theta by 2. This plus term come to this side becomes minus root 2 minus 1 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is equal to 0. In this, I am taking sine theta by 2 common. What is remaining? One more sine theta by 2 will get minus root 2 minus 1 into cos theta by 2 is equal to 0. Again, the product of two values will be 0. Either first one 0 or second one 0. First one 0. Next, second one 0. Sine theta by 2 minus root 2 minus 1 into cos theta by 2. So, from this you will get sine theta by 2 is equal to 0. If you go to that side, becomes cos, sine by cos, directly I am writing that is tan theta by 2 is equal to root 2 minus 1. Now, if sine theta by 2 equals to 0, then general solution theta by 2 is equal to n pi. From this we can write theta is equal to cross multiply 2n pi, will get where n belongs to z. Here, tan theta by 2 is equal to root 2 minus 1 is value for tan of pi by 8, that is nothing but 22.5. If tan x is equal to tan y, then the relation theta by 2 is equal to n pi plus pi by 8. Send it to that side. Theta equals to 2n pi plus 2 pi by 8, that is nothing but pi by 4. So, finally, we got two general solutions. If you cancel sine and sine, two general solutions will not come. Only you will get one general solution. But don't cancel, you write 2. In these two, which is given in the option, you select that one. So, for question number 21, the second one is given 2n pi plus pi by 4, that is nothing but option B is a correct answer. Okay, this is question number 21. Next, we will discuss question number 22. In question number 22, the number of solutions to the equation sin 5x, sin 3x plus sin x. I will repeat. Sin 5x plus sin 3x plus sin x is equal to 0. And here the x value is 0 to pi, that is it. Okay. What are the possible values? Okay. In these three, I am selecting 2. Which two you need to select? Highest and as well as least. Highest is 5x, least is x. I am taking this 5x term and x term in separate bracket. And what about the remaining term? Sin 3x equals to 0. Now it is in the form of sin c plus sin d. Formula 2 sin c plus d by 2, 5x plus x, 6x by 2, that is nothing but 3x. Cos, this is the formula sum, c minus d by 2, 5x minus x, 4x by 2, that is nothing but 2x, plus sin 3x is equal to 0. Now, in this I can take sin 3x common. What you will get? 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Again here the product of two values 0, either first one 0 or second one 0. Now here I can write sine 3x is equal to 0. Second one, 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. From this we can write cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. But here the x value compulsory satisfying 0 to pi. Okay. Now for which values you will get sin 3x is equal to 0, for which values you will get cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. If you have idea about trigonometric table, you can take directly. No sir, I don't have any idea, I am not getting, means you better to write general solution. From the general solution we can derive how many values are possible. See here, if I take the general solution, sin 3x is equal to 0, we can write 3x is equal to n pi. Now x is equal to n pi by 3. Now here I can write cos 2x is equal to this minus 1 by 2, when you will get in cos 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means 120. 120 belongs to second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative. Now it is in the form of cos x is equal to cos y. Now 2x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 2 pi by 3. Now 2 gets cancelled. X is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Finally, we got two general solutions. But how many values are possible? First, I am taking n value 0. Okay. Now, n value 0 means what you will get? 0 into anything 0, sin 0 is 0. Okay. Now, one value is satisfying that. 0 is satisfying. Okay. Next, here I am taking n value 3. If you take n value 3 pi by 3, 3 gets cancelled. Now what you will get? Pi you will get. Okay. Now this is also correct. Two values we got. If n value 2 pi by 3 will not give 0. Okay. Now here what are the chances? 0 is possible, pi is possible. Okay, pi also included here, both. Now coming to here, if you take n value is 1, n value 1 means you take plus pi by 3, 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 means 240, but 240 is not lies between 0 to 1, don't take. If you take minus pi minus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means 120. 120 is there in this range? Yes, I can take 2 pi by 3. Here we got two values, here we got one value. How to find all these values? You just substitute n equals to 0, n equals to 1, n equals to 2, n equals to 3. But the resultant x value is compulsory lies between 0 to 180. See here, if you take x value 0, 3 into 0, 0, sin 0 value is 0. Okay. If you take x value pi, sin 3 pi, sin 3 pi value, sin pi value, sin 3 pi value all are same, 0 will get. Next, I am taking one more. If x is pi by 3. If you substitute pi by 3 here, sin of 3 into pi by 3. 3 gets cancelled. Now what you will get? Sin pi. Again sin pi value is 0. Now here I got 3 values. Here I got 1 value. If you take minus again, pi minus pi by 3 same, 2 pi by 3 will get. Okay. Now for totally we have the total number of solutions for this question number 22. But here pi by 3, can I include pi by 3 for this? If pi by 3 is not satisfying the both general solution, Why? Because here the total number of sin 3x equals to 0 and cos 2x equals to minus 1 by 2. What is the value we are taking? This value will satisfy both condition number 1 as well as condition number 2. See, if you take 0, substitute here. 0 is possible here. Yes, sin 0 is 0. But don't substitute 0 here. These solutions are different, these solutions are different. Okay. Now, next I am substituting pi. If you substituting pi, sin 3 pi value is 0. That also you can take. But if you substitute pi by 3, again pi by 3 if you substitute, again 3 gets cancelled. So that also will include it. Now coming to here, if you take n value 1, pi plus pi by 3, that is 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 will not include, that is 240. You take pi minus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 is acting here because 2 pi by 3 is nothing but 120. 120 is lies between 0 to 180. No sir, this is not possible. This is difficult method. Means if you know table, without finding this general solution, directly you can, when sin value 0, sin 0 is 0, like that also you can calculate. Now here I got 1 2 pi by 3. If there is exist one more value or not, I will check it. Here I am taking n value 2. No sir, why always n value 2? You can take n value 0. Substitute here 0 into anything, 0 plus or minus pi by 3, but don't take negative. Negative values are not there here. What you will get? Pi by 3. Already pi by 3 we took. Don't take a single angle 2 times or 3 times. That's why n value over. Next I am taking n value is 2. Substitute 2 pi plus or minus pi by 3. If you take plus, that is 7 pi by 3, that is nothing but 7 pi by 3 is 7 into 60, that is 420. 420 is not there in the range. Okay, then you go for minus sir. 3 into 2 pi, 6 pi. 6 pi minus pi, 5. 5 pi by 3. If you write 5 pi by 3, 5 into 60, that is 300. 300 also not in the range. This is also not possible. Now finally, how many values are satisfying? 0 is satisfying, pi is satisfying, pi by 3 is satisfying, 2 pi by 3 is satisfying. Totally you will get the values are 4, but in option they given 3. 3 is not correct. Answer is none of these. Option D is a correct answer. Change the option, student. In your textbook they given 3 solutions, but not 3 solutions. Totally you will get how many solutions? 4 solutions. 4 is not given in first option and second option and third option. That's why answer is what? None of this. Next we will discuss question number 23. Which of the following is not a general solution of the equation? 2 power cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 power minus sin square x. Okay, listen. Dear students, it can be written as 2 power cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 power minus sin square x. Next, it can be written as, this can be written as 2 power 1 into 2 power minus 2 sin square x. I am splitting this. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 power minus sin square x. Okay, now one more step. 2 power 1 is nothing but 2 into this 2 power minus 2 sine square x can be written as 2 power minus sine square x whole square I can write. Why? Because a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn, that formulas, plus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 power minus sine square x. This equation 2 power minus sine square x here is there, 2 power minus sine square x is there. That's why I am taking let 2 power minus sine square x is equal to some k. Why? Because we are simplifying the equation. Now this can be written as 2k square plus 1 is equal to 3k. See, listen, the equation is simple now. Send 3k this side. 2k square minus 3k plus 1 is equal to 0. If you factorize this, it can be written as 2k square minus 3k can be written as minus 2k minus k plus 1 is equal to 0. In first two terms, I will take 2k common. In next two terms, you take minus 1 common. Again, which is common? K minus 1 is common. K minus 1 into 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. From this, you will get k is equal to 1. From this, you will get k is equal to 1 by 2. But already, we know the value of k. Okay? What is k value? 2 power minus sine square x. 2 power minus sine square x. That is equal to this 1 can be written as 2 power 0. Because anything power 0 is 1. Next, here k value 2 power minus sine square x. This 1 by 2 can be written as 2 power minus. Bases are equal, powers also equal. Okay. Now what you will get? Minus sine square x is equal to 0. Here also minus sine square x is equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel. You send minus that side, no problem. Sine square x is equal to what will get? 0. This can be written as sine square 0. Why? Because sine 0 value 0, 0 square means 0 only. Now we are coming to here. Sine square x is equal to, this 1 can be written as sine square pi by 2. Already we have one general solution. In previous class we discussed. If sine square x is equal to sine square y, then the general solution x is equal to n pi plus r minus y. That is a formula already we discussed in previous question. Now this is x, this is y, this is x, this is y. You can apply. What you will get? X is equal to n pi plus r minus y means what? 0. Then x is equal to n pi. Coming to second, x is equal to n pi plus r minus y means what? Pi by 2. So finally we got two general solution, but this general solution is, both are not given. Which of the following is not a general solution? See, if you write this one, you can take pi common. N plus r minus 1 by 2 into pi. N plus r minus 1 by 2 means 1 plus will get 1 minus. See, first one n pi is given in the first option. If you take plus, n plus 1 by 2 into pi, that is given in the second option. If you take minus, n minus 1 by 2 into pi, it is given in the third option. Then which is correct? Which is the not solution? Fourth option is a not solution. That is nothing but fourth option. None of these is a correct answer for this question number 23. Next, we will discuss question number 24. Okay. In question number 24, it is given 1 by 6 sin theta, comma, cos theta, comma, tan theta. These are belongs to GP. Then we need to find tan theta value. See, in GP means already we discussed the condition B square is equal to AC is a condition for geometric progression. This is A, this is B, this is C. Substitute. B square is nothing but cos square theta. A is nothing but 1 by 6 sin theta. C is nothing but tan theta. Okay. Next, I am simplifying this. Cos square theta or 6 cos square theta I am writing, that is equal to sin theta into tan can be written as sin by cos. Now cross multiply. 6 cos square into cos, that is nothing but 6 cos cube theta. Sin into sin, that is nothing but sin square theta. But you make it the entire equation either in terms of sin or in terms of cos. I am converting this entire equation in terms of cos. How? 6 cos cube theta is equal to this sin square theta I can write 1 minus cos square theta. Now you observe the entire equation is converted in terms of cos theta. Okay. Now 6 cos cube theta. This minus will come to here, becomes plus. This plus 1 come to this side, becomes minus. It is not a quadratic equation, it is a cubic equation. If cubic equation is given, we are going for a synthetic division method. Let us see, I am doing here. First, cube coefficient 6, square coefficient 1, cos theta coefficient not there 0, constant minus 1. This is cos cube coefficient. This is cos square coefficient. This is cos coefficient. Cos is not there, that's why 0. This is constant. You can check 1 by value. I am taking 1 by 2. How you know directly, sir? Means you can check with 1 or minus 1, but we require the remainder will be 0. This value will be 0. 6 plus 0. 6. 1 by 2 into 6. 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 by 2 into 4, 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 1 by 2 into 2, 1. 1, 1 gets cancelled. Now remainder will be 0. Okay. Now here plus 1 by 2 is there, but we can take minus 1 by 2. Here plus is there, you take minus. If minus is there, you take plus. Next, what is the first value? 6 cos square. What is the next value? 4 cos theta. What is the next value? 2 is equal to 0. The product of two values 0, either first one 0 or second one 0. I am taking first one 0. I am taking second one 0. But for this, b square minus 4ac value is less than 0. Why? Because a value 6, b value 4, c value 2, you substitute, this is negative. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, it is not having real roots, it is having complex roots or imaginary roots. That's why don't take that. Coming to this, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. When cos value 1 by 2, cos 60, then cos theta is equal to cos 60. We know general solution. Cos x equals to cos y. Theta is equal to 2n pi plus r minus y. That is nothing but pi by 3. This is the answer for question number 24. That is nothing but option A is a correct answer. Next, we will discuss question number 25. In question number 25, they given 2 sin square x plus sin square 2x is equal to 2. X belongs to 0 to 2 pi. 2 sin square x plus sin square 2x equals to 2. Now we have to find the number of solutions. Okay. Here I am using some trigonometric formulas. 2 sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta. 2 sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta. From this we can write sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. I am using these two formulas. Okay. First, it is in the form of 2 sin square x. It can be written as 1 minus cos 2x. This is in the form of second. We can write 1 minus cos 2 into theta is what? 2x. 2 into 2x, it becomes 4x by 2 is equal to 2. Okay. Now we will take the LCM. 2 1s 2 into cos 2x plus 1 minus cos 4x by 2 is equal to 2. ಈ 2 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 3, minus 2 cos 2x minus cos 4x is equal to 4. You send all these values that side. 4 minus 3, 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus cos 4x is equal to 0. Now from this 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus cos 4x can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now this equation is in terms of cos 2x. That's why I am taking let cos 2x is equal to k. Now this can be written as 1 plus 2k plus 2k square minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. Now what we need to write here? 2k plus 2k square means I can take 2k common. 1 plus k equals to 0. From this either first one 0 or second one 0. K equals to 0, k equals to minus 1. But what is k? Cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to 0. Cos 2x is equal to minus 1. If you know values, you can find directly. Otherwise, you can apply the general solution. Okay. Now, this can be cos 2x equals to 0 general solution. 2x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Now we can write x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. Now coming to here, cos 2x is equal to, when cos value becomes minus 1. When cos value becomes, cos 180 value is minus 1. Now it can be write cos 180. Why? Because cos 180 value how much? Minus 1. Now we can write 2x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi. Now from this we can write x is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 2. Okay, so these are the values we got. But in this question we need to find the general solution for this. Okay, so how many solutions are possible? First I am taking n value 0. Substitute n value 0. Here what you will get? This is 0 plus 1 1. 1 into pi by 4. X value pi by 4 barutte. If you substitute n value 0, plus or minus pi by 2. But negative value is not there. That's why I am taking pi by 2. Total we got how many values? 2 values. Next I am taking n is equal to 1. We need to substitute like this. Substitute. 2 1 just 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 pi by 4. Here you substitute. 1 into pi. Pi plus pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. Next 3 pi by 2 is there in the range. Next if you take minus. Pi minus pi by 2. Pi by 2. Already pi by 2 is there here. Don't take. Here also we got 2 values. Okay. Now n equals to 0 over. Okay. N equals to 1 over. Next I am taking n equals to 2. Okay. Substitute here. 2 2 just 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 is nothing but 225. 225 is there in between 0 to 360. Okay, coming to here, you substitute n value 2. 2 pi plus pi by 2. Now that is 5 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2 means 450. 450 is not lies between 0 to 360. Don't take. Now plus over now. Next you take minus. 2 pi minus pi by 2. 2 pi minus pi by 2 is nothing but 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is already repeated. Okay, because once again n plus 2, 2 into pi, 2 pi, 2 pi minus pi by 2. That is nothing but 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 is already given. If you take plus here, what is the problem? 2 pi plus pi by 2. 2 into 2 pi, 4 pi, 4 pi plus 5, 5 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2 is nothing but 450 degrees. But 450 is not in the range of 0 to 2 pi. 2 pi means 360. That's why this is also not possible. Okay, now I'll go with one more. N equals to 3 also I'll check it. Substitute 2 3 just 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45. 745 just. 740 just 280 plus 315. 315 is in between 0 to 360? Yes. Coming to here. 3 pi plus pi by 2. 2 into 3 pi. 6 pi. 6 pi plus pi. 7 pi. 7 pi by 2. That is 630. That is not the range. You take minus. 2 into 3 pi, 6 pi, 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi, that is 5 pi by 2, that is nothing but 450, that is also not the range. So these are the solutions. How many we exist? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally, we get 6 solutions for this question number 25. That is nothing but option D is a correct answer for this question number 25. Next, we will discuss question number 26. In question number 26, the general solution to the equation sin square x minus 5 sin x cos x minus 6 cos square x sin square x minus 5 sin x cos x minus 6 cos square x. So, here this is not given what is the range of this. For this question, what I will do, dividing equation by cos square x. Divide the entire equation by cos square x. Now, sin square by cos square, tan square minus 5. Here cos and cos gets cancelled, sin by cos, that is nothing but tan x. Minus 6. Cos square cancel, you will get 1. That equals to 0. Finally, we got a quadratic equation in tan. You factorize this. Okay. Now, tan square x. This minus 5 tan x can be written as minus 3 tan x minus 2 tan x. That is wrong. Why? Because if you take minus 3 into minus 2, you will get plus 6. But here what is there? Minus 6 is there. That's why don't take like this. That's why I can write this is minus 6 tan x plus 1 tan x. You will check it. Minus 6 into 1, minus 6. In these two, I can take tan x common. Tan x minus 6. Here 1 common. Tan x minus 6. Again, you take tan x minus 6 common. We will get tan x plus 1 into tan x minus 6 is equal to 0. From this, you can write tan x is equal to minus 1. Here you can write tan x is equal to 6. Okay. Now, tan x is equal to this minus 1, I can write tan of minus 45. Now, if tan x is equal to tan y, the general solution x is equal to n pi plus alpha or y. What is the equation here? Minus pi by 4. Now, or you can write plus of minus. You see the option? A minus is given, that is okay. This is 1. Here I can write tan x is equal to the 6, I can write tan y. Now, what is general solution? X is equal to n pi plus y. If tan y is equal to 6, now y can be written as tan inverse of 6. I am taking 6 equals to tan y. If tan y equals to 6, now y what? Tan come to that side becomes tan inverse. So, finally, n pi minus pi by 4, n pi plus tan inverse 6. So, both are correct option. Therefore, option A is correct, option B is correct. Both A and B is answer. That is nothing but option C is a correct answer for this question number 26. Next, we will discuss one more question. That is question number 27. In this question number 27, the general solution of tan theta plus tan 4 theta plus tan 7 theta equals to, I will repeat, tan theta, tan 4 theta, tan 7 theta is equal to tan theta into tan 4 theta into tan 7 theta. Okay, we need to find a general solution for this. Here what I will do, I am sending this tan 7 theta to that side. Now listen, tan theta plus tan 4 theta is equal to this plus tan 7 theta go to that side, becomes minus tan 7 theta plus tan theta tan 4 theta tan 7 theta. Okay, now it can be written as tan theta plus tan 4 theta is equal to, here I am taking minus tan 7 theta common, 1 minus tan theta into tan 4 theta. Send this value to left side. Now tan theta plus tan 4 theta by 1 minus tan theta into tan 4 theta, that is equal to, what is remaining in RHS? Minus tan 7 theta. Now it is in the form of tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. This is formula for tan of A plus B. Now tan of A means theta, B means 4 theta, that equals to minus tan 7 theta. Theta plus 4 theta, that is nothing but tan 5 theta. Minus tan 7 theta can be written as tan of minus 7 theta. Okay, in 27, but we need to find the general solution. So what I will write, tan x is equal to tan y, we can general solution, x is equal to n pi plus y, what is y? Minus 7 theta. Okay, the minus come to this side, plus 7, 5 theta plus 7 theta, that is nothing but 12 theta, that is equal to n pi. Now I can write theta is equal to n pi by 12, where n belongs to integer. This is the final answer, but this option is given, okay, n pi by 12, and this is given in the first option. Okay, why? Because first option, check it, theta is equal to n pi by 12, where n belongs to z. That's why for this question option A is a correct answer. See here in this question, small correction, don't go with option A. Why? Because here if you take n is equal to 6, now it is 6 pi by 12, 6 1 jas, 6 2 jas. Now answer is what? Pi by 2. But here function is what? Tan. Tan 90 is not defined, that's why you don't take n equals to 6. But here what is the condition? N belongs to z. Z means what? Integers. Integers means what? You can take 1, you can take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here what I am telling? Don't take 6. Why? Because if you take 6, the angle is 90. Tan 90 is not defined. That's why option A is not correct. I will go with the second one. Next, what is second option? N pi by 9. Similarly here, second option, n equals to naught is given for 6. You take 18. If you take 18, 18 pi by 12. 6 3 jas, 6 2 jas. Again what you will get? 3 pi by 2. Again tan 3 pi by 2, that is also not infinite. That's why don't take 18. Because in second option they given n pi by 9. That is also not correct. Pi by 12. That is also not correct. Now what? Because n pi by 9 wrong, n pi by 12 wrong, n pi by 12 wrong. So like this. Now first three options are not possible. Therefore option D is a correct answer. Dear students, once again listen. Actually we got answer n pi by 12. But here what is the condition? N belongs to condition Z. Okay. But if you take 6 pi by 12, that is nothing but pi by 2. Tan 90 is not infinity, that's why don't take first option. If you substitute 18 pi by 12, 6 3 is 6 2. Again what you will get? 3 pi by 2. For 3 pi by 2 also not possible. Why? Because tan 3 pi by 2 value is also infinity. If you take 30, substitute 30 pi by 12, 6 5 is 6 2 is. Again what you will get? 5 pi by 2. For tan 5 pi by 2 also infinity, that's why don't take all this. That's why don't take first option. Why? Because in first option, second option, third option, we are getting some values like pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, but all this, so tan value is not defined. Therefore first option, second option, third option, 3 are wrong. Now none of these is answer. That is nothing but option D is a correct answer.